AirAsia and Firefly have been hit by a global IT system outage. In separate statements, the low-cost carriers confirmed that their check-in systems are down. Passengers are being checked in manually, resulting in long lines at AirAsia's check-in counters at KLIA Terminal 2.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today our group will be presenting about AirAsia Group in risk management. Before we start our presentation, I would like to introduce myself and my group member. My name is Anis Nabila binti Amri.
And my name is Karina Maisara binti Badru Nizam.
My name is Alawiyah binti Omar.
My name is Arisha binti Ramzi.
We move to our first slide, which is introduction. So, AirAsia Group is a Malaysian multinational low-cost airline that started in 1993 under DRB Highcom as a full-service carrier but faced financial problem. In 2001, Tony Fernandez and Kamarudin Maranun take over the company through the Tune Air Sdn Bhd just for RM1 and transform it into a low-cost airline with a famous slogan, "Now everyone can fly." This change made air travel affordable and helped the company become profitable within a year. Based near Kuala Lumpur, AirAsia has expanded to several Asian countries including Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, and Cambodia. Its mission is to make flying accessible, easy, and affordable for everyone, while its vision goes beyond aviation, aiming to become a digital travel and lifestyle company through innovation like AirAsia Super Apps. Known for affordability, efficiency, and strong customer focus, AirAsia has grown to serve over 60 destinations and remain Asia's leading low-cost carrier despite challenges such as the COVID-19 pandemic, continuing to embody its mission of connecting people through affordable and innovative travel. Next, we move to the product and service line of AirAsia Group. So, AirAsia Group offers a wide range of travel and aviation-related product and service, mainly centered on its core airline business. As one of major low-cost carrier in Asia, AirAsia operates in Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, and Philippines, and Cambodia, connecting over 130 destinations with a fleet of more than 200 aircraft. The company aims to become the world's first global low-cost network carrier, supported by ongoing aircraft expansion and strong commitment to sustainability, including a net zero emission goal by 2050. Beyond aviation, AirAsia has expanded into digital travel through Move, formerly the AirAsia Super Apps, which act as an online travel agency offering flights and hotel booking, airport transfer, insurance, and duty-free shipping for users worldwide. Its fintech arm, BigPay, provides digital financial service and payment to make transactions easier across AirAsia's platform, while Teleport serves as its logistic and e-commerce delivery arm. Additionally, the Capital A Aviation Service Group support airline operation through maintenance, engineering, and training service, and ABC brand focus on marketing and digital brand development. Overall, AirAsia Group has evolved into a comprehensive travel and lifestyle ecosystem that combine low-cost air travel, digital innovation, financial technology, and logistics solutions to deliver convenience, value, and sustainable service to millions of customers across the regions. Now, I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, now I will talk about surviving shock and disruptions. There are 4 points here. Okay, firstly is a global IT system outage. In July 2024, Asia faced a major global IT system outage when its departure control system failed, affecting over 500,000 passengers and around 3,000 flights. This caused massive delays and cancellations across multiple airports. To manage the crisis, AirAsia quickly switched to manual check-in processes and deployed more than 200 ground staff and 100 volunteers to assist passengers. Their first response showed strong operational resilience and effective crisis management. Although the incident exposed the airline's heavy reliance on digital systems, it also proved AirAsia's ability to continue operations through manual backup procedures and clear communication with customers. Okay, for the second one is supply chain and fleet constraints. Between 2023 and 2024, Asia also faced global supply chain issues that delay aircraft deliveries and increased maintenance costs. To overcome this, the company relied on its in-house maintenance unit, Asia Digital Engineering, which is ADE, to handle, replace, and keep planes operational. Asia also adjusted its fleet strategy by ordering long-range Airbus A321XLR aircraft to improve efficiency and prepare for future routes. These actions help Asia stay flexible and maintain operation despite global supply disruptions. Okay, the third one is corporate restructuring and business consolidation. In 2023-2024, Asia underwent a major corporate restructuring to ensure long-term sustainability. The company streamlined its operation by merging all regional airlines into a single AirAsia Group platform. In April 2024, Capital A announced that its aviation units worth RM 6.8 billion would be consolidated under AirAsia X Berhad, combining short and long-haul services into one entity. This move separated the aviation business from non-aviation areas like logistics and fintech, reducing financial risk and attracting more investors. Although the process brought short-term challenges, it improved transparency, efficiency, and positioned AirAsia for stronger growth after the split. The last one is operational performance and service challenges. Despite strong passengers demand, AirAsia faced frequent delays and cancellations in 2023 until 2024, with nearly 38% of flights delayed by late 2024. The global IT outage and manpower shortages worsened the issue. To address this, AirAsia enhanced its service recovery by offering flexible rebooking, hiring more staff, and investing in better data systems. The airline also partnered with tech firm Plan3 to strengthen communication and distribution management. These efforts aim to rebuild customer trust and improve overall service reliability. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay. So I will continue with current issue affecting business resilience. AirAsia Group continue to face major challenges from high and violate operating costs, mainly caused by fluctuating jet fuel prices and increasing airport charges. Fuel remain one of the largest expenses for the airline, and unpredictable global oil prices have often put pressure on its profit margin. To manage this, AirAsia has adopted a fuel efficient aircraft and implement fuel hedging strategy through short-term contract to stabilize costs, although this strategy can limit benefit when price fall. At the same time, airport and ancillary fees such as landing and passenger service charges have been rising across the Air Pacific region, adding more cost pressure. This particularly affects low-cost carrier like AirAsia, which rely on maintaining low fares. To minimize these expenses, the airline often use secondary or less expensive airport and focus on improving operational efficiency to offset higher costs. Next, the parent company of AirAsia Group, Capital Aberhart, has been undergoing a major corporate restructuring to overcome its financial difficulties and exit its P970 status, which is a sign of financial distress. This process began in 2020 and involved assets transfer, debt refinancing, private placement, and its sale of aviation asset to strengthen its balance sheet and restore investor confidence. A key part of the plan is unifying all AirAsia airline operation under AirAsia Act. Though regulatory approval, especially in Thailand, have made the process legally. The restructuring is expecting to be complete by December 2025, allowing Capital A to regain financial financial stability. Despite high debt level and past liquidity issue, the company has raised funds through refinancing and equity placement to reduce financial pressure. Once complete, this restructure will give Capital A a clear business structure, separating its airline operation from a digital and lifestyle venture, improve our overall financial flexibility and growth potential. Next.
So I will continue with the current issue affecting business resilience. Continue to Bella tadi. Oh, um, so the first is strategic and structural transformation risk. AirAsia Group is currently undergoing one of its most significant corporate transformation. First, the company is separating its aviation and non-aviation units to streamline operation and allow Capital A to focus on digital, logistic and travel services. Second, integration across countries including Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia and the Philippines brings challenges in regulatory approval, workforce alignment and financial coordination. Any misstep could slow restructuring progress and affect the investor confidence. The third one is the diversification into digital and fintech business like AirAsia Move, Big Pay and Teleport introduce new competition risks in highly dynamic and capital intensive industries. Finally, maintaining brand consistency and supporting employees through this change is crucial. Any confusion in communication or resistance from staff could impact both customer perception and operational stability. So the second point is external and environmental risk. AHA Group business resilience in 2025 is strongly influenced by external micro-environmental factors that the company cannot control. Firstly, fuel price volatility remains a major challenge. Also, the airline hedge fuel costs, sudden spikes in global oil prices significantly increase operational expenses. With its low cost model and narrow profit margin, AirAsia has limited ability to pass these costs to passengers. Secondly, foreign exchange risks affect the group as a large portion of its debt and aircraft lease are dominated in US dollars. Depreciation of the Malaysian ringgit and other regional currencies can impact cash flow and profitability despite effort to refinance into local currency. Thirdly, geopolitical tension and tourism fluctuation, particularly in key market like Thailand, affect passenger load factors and revenue. Post-pandemic, leisure travel has recovered, but business travel has not, forcing AirAsia to rely more on volume-driven strategies and ancillary revenue stream. And lastly, climate-related regulation and the need for greener operation impose financial pressure, requiring investment in efficient aircraft while maintaining competitive in the low cost segment. So in summary, AirAsia must combine financial prudence with strategic agility to maintain short-term stability while building long-term resilience in a highly volatile and unpredictable environment. I pass to the next presenter.
So I will be presenting AirAsia model of business continuity. Let's begin with business impact analysis or BIA. This is the first step in Asia business continuity plan. It identifies key operations, assess risk, and measure the impact of disruptions. For example, during the July 2024 global IT outage, AirAsia departure control system was affected, impacting over 500,000 passengers. This event showed the airline heavy reliance on its IT system. Throughout BIA, Asia was able to pinpoint critical areas such as IT, fleet management, and customer service, ensuring that resources are focused on protecting essential operation. Moving on to recovery. Recovery is all about restoring operation quickly and effectively. During the IT outage, Asia immediately switched to manual checking and deployed extra staff and volunteer to assist passenger. For long-term recovery, the company merged its short and long-haul operation, improved communication, and offer flexible rebooking options. This action demonstrate Asia ability to regain stability while strength resilience for future challenge. Next is organizations. A strong structure is vital in any crisis. In 2024, the merge of ARCIA with Capital A improved coordination and decision making across all departments: operation, finance, maintenance, and customer service. The crisis response team acted quickly to manage ground operation and passenger communications. Subsidiaries like Asia Digital Engineering and Asia Super App also support continuity, showing how organizational strength ensure business stability. Now, training and continuous improvement. Asia believe that well-trained employees are the backbone of business continuity. After the IT outage, the airline enhanced staff training on emergency response, manual check-in procedure, and customer care. It also reviews past incident updates, standard operating procedure, and works closely with technology partners. This ensures continuous improvement and that all employees are ready to act during any crisis. So next.
I will continue with the successful business continuity. The first point is to rapid recovery from a major IT outage. In July 2024, AirAsia faced a major IT outage affecting its departure control system, which are crucial for check-ins, boarding, and flight management. Despite this disruption, over 500 passengers was transported successfully by quickly activating the business continuity plan and switching to manual operation. This incident highlight the airline's preparedness, trained personnel, and clear guidelines to maintain service and safeguard its reputation under pressure. Second point is business continuity management integrated into governance and risk frameworks. AirAsia has utilized the business continuity management within its governance and risk strategy. Regular business impact analysis, disaster recovery sites, and quarterly plans review ensure that essential operations remain functional during unexpected shocks. Organized crisis management teams and escalation procedure allow the company to respond to operational and technical and human challenge, making resilience a lasting organizational capability. The last point is recovery and network rebuilding post-pandemic. Following the COVID-19 pandemic, AirAsia strategically rebuilt its network, optimize capacity, and leverage their digital platform for revenue. By early 2025, Malaysia operation reached about 90% of pre-pandemic capacity, with full recovery expected by year-end. This demonstrates the operational agility, strategic foresight, and ability to maintain both short-term continuity and long-term growth in a challenging environment. Next.
So this is our recommendations. Technology, resilience, and service reliability. Asia must strengthen its digital infrastructure by investing in cloud-based backup system and cyber resilience audits. A dedicated IT continuity command center and AI power maintenance tool will help detect and fix issues faster. Real-time updates throughout the app and SMS along with automate rebooting system will improve customer satisfaction and trust. Second, supply chain fleet and maintenance resilience is Asia should diversify its supplier and explore more aircraft leasing option to reduce dependency on Airbus. Expanding Asia digital engineering can also support in-house maintenance and generate extra income. The airline should adopt predictive maintenance technology and continue training program for technicians to preserve vital expertise. Cost efficiency can be achieved throughout fuel saving initiative, flexible hedging, and using secondary airport. Then lastly, financial reform and workforce alignment. Asia needs strong financial reform to stay competitive. It should accelerate its PN17 exit, refinance high cost loans, and attract institutional investor for growth. Operationally, the airline can focus on efficiency-based expansion, adjusting capacity based on demand. Motivated workforce is crucial. So, Asia should maintain open communication, provide cross training, and support employee welfare during restructuring. And finally, conclusion. Asia has shown remarkable innovation, adaptability, and customer focus through strong business continuity planning. The company successfully managed major disruptions such as IT outage and supply chain issues by focusing on technology resilience, financial flexibility, and workforce readiness. Asia is well prepared for future challenge, continue to fulfilling its mission. Now everyone can fly. So that's all from our group.